Kewpie spots the green baby.
Mine.
But Bibi has other plans.
Let's share?
A playful standoff begins, the afternoon sun wrapping them both in gold.
Still mine, Fuzzball.
Not a chance.
Come and try. Easy now.
Yeah. Smells like fun.
I saw it first, Furball.
Pause on it now. Finders keepers.
We'll see about that.
Yes, that's blue claws.
Look at that! Kewpie's giving you her toy.
Oh, Bibi, is that for you?
Yeah, go on, take it.
Sharing is nice, huh?
Good friends. Good girl, Kewpie.
Look at that balance, Bibi. Kewpie's showing off for you.
Monkey.
Good boy, Kewpie.
Get a Kewpie! You can't catch me.
She's not letting go of that toy.
Sounds like someone's not giving up.
Nope, they're both too stubborn.
Kewpie's got the low growl going.
And Bibi's talking back.
Wonder who's gonna win.
Look at you, Kewpie, guarding the prize.
The conqueror claims the spoils.
You are so proud of that toy.
And now the audience gathers. One curious monkey.
Triumphant little
Ready, you two? Here it comes. Wait for it. Get ready.
Look at Bibi showing off the toy.
Kewpie's like, that's mine?
He does not know what to think. He's so confused.
Oh, he's gonna bark. There it is.
Kewpie's got the wiggles this morning, rolling, and still not letting go of that toy.
Bibi looks like she's watching a comedy show.
I think she is.
Ready? Go get it. Oh, simultaneous launch! Who's gonna win? Pull, Kewpie! Hang on, Bibi!
Look at him go.
Look at you, Kewpie. Proud as can be.
The monkey has no idea what just happened.
Yeah, that's your toy now, buddy.
You see a Kewpie? Here's your toy.
He's thinking the same thing.
Who's gonna get there first?
Look at you two, all cozy.
Get it, Kewpie. Get that toy.
Hold on, Bibi's not ready to give it up yet.
Oh, she's teasing you. Almost. So close.
All right, Bibi, let her have it.
Yes. Good catch, Kewpie.
That's for sure. Look at that face. Okay, Bibi, let her have a sniff. All right, here it comes. Mine.
Kewpie plants her paws like a little lion. The green baby is hers.
You're not letting go, huh? Get it, Kewpie. Bibi, you little thief.
He's not letting go.
Neither is she.
That toy's the whole world right now.
Let's see who blinks first.
Easy there, Bibi. Kewpie's on nap duty. Yeah, that green baby is her pillow today. You can look, just don't steal it.
Look at Kewpie go. He's not giving that thing up.
Bibi's trying so hard to catch him.
That little green baby is the prize of the century.
This is hilarious.
She goes, Kewpie's got it.
Bibi, catch her.
Oh, she's not giving that toy up.
Bibi's so
Kewpie's
close.
trotting like she owns the place.
It's hilarious.
Look at those two. Neither's giving up.
Tug-of-War on the Great Wall. Who would have thought?
Kewpie's got the low center of gravity, but Bibi's got leverage.
It's a stalemate. For now.
Hey, gentle.
Just playing. Hey, that's mine. Come on, share. All right, together then.
This is so quiet, isn't it?
Careful, Bibi. He's jumping.
Yeah, let her sniff it.
Look at him go!
Right over her head.
Kewpie, get that toy!
Oh, Bibi's not letting go. She's got it.
They're having the best time.
Oh, she nicked it.
That little monkey's quick.
Poor pup didn't see it coming.
Bibi thinks she can. Look at that determination.
No!
Who's gonna win the plush prize? You two going after the same toy again? Careful, Kewpie. Oh, Bibi's got it. Oh, and Kewpie wins. Good girl.
Easy, Kewpie. He's just looking.
You two are sharing, huh?
Bibi! Huh?
Neither was willing to let go.
He's mine.
Not today.
Look at you go, Kewpie.
He's got some moves.
Bibi's not sharing that toy, though.
Nope. Queen of the chair.
Round and round, little guy. I just want to see it.
You two are perfectly matched. Nobody's letting go, huh? All right, carry on.
Come on, Kewpie, you can do it. He's determined. Look at him go. There you go. Almost. Up.
Ha! Made it.
Kewpie's got a plan. One treat at a time, right in a little trail. Clever girl. And Bibi, she can't resist. Too busy munching to notice where the toy is headed.
Is that Kewpie? Is that your new friend?
She's giving it a good sniff.
Bibi wants to know too. Curious little crew. So here goes Bibi. Get it. Woo, good catch. Kewpie, are you ready? Nice, good boy.
You got it, Bibi?
She's so proud of herself.
All right, share with Kewpie.
Ouch.
Kewpie's not giving up, though.
Nope. He wants that toy back.
Good push, Kewpie. Bibi, your turn. Nice job, girl. Back to you, buddy.
Getting the hang of it.
Teamwork makes the game.
Go on, Kewpie, show her your moves. Look at that spin. She can't beat you, Bibi. Still holding that toy like a little queen, huh?
Kewpie's doing her victory laps, but Bibi is not giving up that toy. Look at that face, full of pride. Kewpie, you're gonna get dizzy, sweetheart.
Oh, Kewpie, the drama. Looks like Bibi's the champ today.
Easy, you two. Share the baby. Oh, it's a tie.
That's mine, Bibi.
Not if I get it first, pup.
Then catch me.
From Paris to China, still no surrender.
The world is big, but Green Baby's ours.
Maybe it can be ours. Together.
That's mine. Finders keepers, furball. Grr, drop it, Bibi. Over my vest. You gonna share or what? Maybe we both can.
Every afternoon, when the house grows quiet, the battle for the green baby begins. Kewpie thinks it belongs to him. Bibi strongly disagrees. They chase, they wrestle.
Finders keepers, Bibi. Then let's see who keeps it. Truce?
Truce. Give it back, fuzzy face.
Mine.
I called it first.
You stole it.
Truce?
Truce. We can share.
Friends now, huh?
Sometimes they fight, sometimes they share. But in the end, they always fall asleep together.
Hey, that's mine.
Catch me if you can, pup.
Bibi, share the baby.
Okay, Truce. We're a team now.
I like that. Look at this view.
Wherever we go, Little Green comes.
Easy, Kewpie. Let him see the toy.
Mine.
Not everywhere, right? We travel together. Maybe sharing isn't so bad.
Friends.
Yeah, friends. Wherever.
Hey, that's mine.
Finders keepers, pup.
Then I'll travel with you till you share.
Paris, India, mountains. Maybe we can both have it.
Together.
Together.
Hey, that's mine, Bibi.
Only if you can keep it, Pop.
We're supposed to share, remember?
I remember. Here, you take it.
Thanks, partner.
Next adventure?
Always.
Hey, that's my baby. Finders keepers. Maybe we can share. Together, forever adventures.
Finders keepers, little dog.
Please, we can share.
Maybe, okay.
Wow, look at the world.
Together it's better.
Best friends. That's mine.
No, I found it first.
Grr, give it back.
Let's take it on an adventure instead.
Maybe. Okay.
The world is big, friend.
And now we share.
Hey, that's my baby! Mine now, fluffy pup.
We can share, you know.
Maybe around the world.
Deal.
Here, you take it.
Thanks, friend.
What a view, huh?
Best trip.
Hey, that's mine.
Share, Kewpie. Just a little tug. Look, everywhere we go, we can keep it together.
Okay.
Friends.
Friends.
Who took my baby? Kewpie wondered.
Bibi wants to play.
Around the world they tugged and traveled. Paris, Egypt, Tokyo, until finally they learned
Together.
to share together.
Hey, that's my baby.
Finders keepers, pupper.
Give it back.
Catch me if you can.
Maybe we can share?
Deal. Friends?
Friends.
Look at that view.
Adventure never ends.
Hey, Kewpie, look what I found. That's mine, Bibi. Catch me if you can. Give it back. All right. We share, yes? Deal. Look at that sunset.
Hey, that's mine.
I found it first, Fluffy.
Catch me then.
Grr, give it back.
Maybe we can share?
Yeah, friends.
Friends.
Hey, that's Kewpie's baby. You too? Good friends.
Hey, that's my green baby.
Found it first, little pup.
Give it back.
Catch me then.
Gotcha. Mine now.
We'll share friends?
Friends.
Hey, that's mine.
Cheater, give
I
it.
found it first.
Maybe we can share.
Okay. Friends.
Good girl.
That's mine, Kewpie.
I had it first, Bibi.
Let's share.
Okay, but no chewing.
Promise. Friends?
Friends.
You're the best pup.
And you're a good monkey.
Hey, that's mine.
Share with me, Kewpie.
Okay.
We can both play.
Friends forever.
Come on, race me.
I'm coming.
Kewpie, look who's here. Now that's Kewpie's favorite toy, Bibi. Gently. Good friends share.
Hey, buddy, let's share the baby, okay? Chirp, chirp. No? Tug-of-War it is. Friends in the end.
It's mine, Kewpie. Green baby is mine. I want it back. Maybe we can share? Okay. Friends, friends, friends. That's mine, Bibi. Just want to see it. No way. Give me a turn. Tug tug mine. Whoa. Truce? Truce. We can share. That's my baby Kewpie.
I saw it first, monkey.
Let's see about that.
Okay, maybe we share?
Share sounds good.
Best friends.
Green baby.
Found it first, Kewpie. Mine now.
Give it.
Haha, no way.
Okay, maybe we can share?
Yeah, friends.
Hey, what do you have there?
It's mine.
That's my baby. Give it back.
No way.
Maybe we can share?
Okay. Friends?
Friends.
Hey, Kewpie, can I have the baby? Mine! Finders keepers! Let's share!
Oh no, it's ripping.
We broke it together. Want to fix it?
Yeah. Cuddle time.
Cuddle time!
Hey, Kewpie, you found your green baby.
Oh, here comes Bibi.
Careful, you two. Share nicely.
Like Bibi won that round.
And now you're friends again.
You two are being so cute.
Hey, that's mine.
Just a little play, Kewpie.
Tug tug. Okay, maybe we can share.
Friends?
Friends.
Let's play again tomorrow.
Always.
I see it first.
Not today, dog.
Let go!
Mission comes first.
Then we work together.
Deal.
Look at that sunset.
Not for long.
Stand down, Bibi. We can share.
Maybe.
Together.
Deal.
That's mine, Kewpie.
Not today, Bibi. We need it for the mission.
Then let's move.
Mission accomplished.
Together.
Target acquired. Kewpie's got eyes on the prize. Bibi's not letting go. But something changes.
Give it back, Bibi!
Not a chance, Furball. This mission's mine.
I'm not leaving without that baby.
Maybe we both can.
Deal.
Kewpie, hand it over.
Not a chance, Bibi.
We could destroy each other.
Or share.
Share.
That's mine.
Catch me if you can!
Kewpie bark. Not this time. Truce?
Bibi, drop it. That's my baby. Not this time, Fluffball. Mission's mine. Then I'm coming for you. Catch me if you can. Truce? Truce.
Kewpie, give me that.
Not a chance, Bibi.
Then you'll have to catch me.
Mission complete.